Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are here with a beautiful box from Grizas.
Welcome lovelies. Okay, happy peppy day at Lousje and Bean Boutique.
Yes,
Our
very
boutique
exciting.
is getting, we should do a tour one a day, Kristen, with our video and going through the boutique and show all the new colors, and it's looking so vibrant.
Yeah, beautiful.
Kristen is going, yes. Okay. So yeah, we have some beauties in here.
We're so excited.
I can't wait.
And I'm wearing some of the beauties we got in a few weeks ago.
Yes.
Almost a month ago now from
Right.
Grizas.
Yeah.
Look at this bracelet.
It's stunning.
I know.
Oh my goodness.
I love it, from Siriglio. And these, look at these.
Yeah.
These are new from Siriglio.
Yeah.
Aren't they
Stunning.
perfect?
Stunning.
They would be like, they're like the perfect little accent earring.
Exactly.
They're so nice and light and dainty, ladies.
With your little favorite sweater.
So we still have a few left in the beautiful scrumptious color. This is like a raspberry red.
Yeah.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
Beautiful textured linen that they did this season.
Yeah.
Then I have my little Lousje and Bean crunch leggings. And the beautiful, the sweater with the holes in it. I don't know what we call it. The holy
I thought
sweater.
we called it a ladder back.
Ladders. All right.
Ladders.
It feels amazing. I feel great. And I love that you can peekaboo through and see the pink coming out.
Yeah,
I
and
think
a
it's
little
gorgeous.
skin.
Yeah.
Yes.
And no necklace, because the neckline is quite beautiful.
Yeah, I love the neckline.
The simplicity of it is gorgeous.
Right.
All right. And Lousje has on cut loose. Beautiful.
One size fits all, right?
Yeah, great color.
And great color, and I couldn't resist but picking this up. I pick this up quite often because I find it really beautiful color.
Yeah, it's such a nice,
You
rich,
know?
mustardy.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the purple.
And the color together,
yeah,
you know.
and the matching bracelet.
And then these great pants from Osainku, really cool bottom. And
really cool.
Travel fabric,
Yeah.
right?
Nice,
And
comfy.
then look at this little.
Were you happy?
I was so happy when I saw them, Tessa.
Aren't they great?
I love these, yeah.
So Lousje has the lim socks on with the pearls that we brought in with the lacy pearls.
Yeah.
They look fabulous on you.
I love them.
I knew
because,
you'd love them.
Yeah, I wear them with these loafers. Look, cute
Just a
little
little
surprise,
pop.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah,
I'm sure
I
you
was
have.
happy.
You're gonna have every color in your closet soon.
Well, I'm starting off slowly. I'm being modest.
Oh my
but
goodness.
This is my first pair. By the way, the fabric feels amazing. You know?
Yeah.
Well,
they're made in Korea, and Korea really
Yeah.
makes some beautiful
It's
high-end.
true.
Yeah.
No, the fabric
Beautiful fabric.
is dynamite.
A lot of our fabrics, actually, from our fabric suppliers,
Are from Korea.
From Korea,
It's
and
true.
it's just it's different than from China. It's
Totally,
it's a
yeah.
step up.
Yeah.
So the lim socks are from Korea, made in Korea. Very cool. So ladies, before we open the box, I just wanted to touch on a few things. When me and Lousje are picking lines for the boutique, we just want you to know that it's really extra specially curated for you lovelies. As you know, I've shown you at a buying show before, there's so many pieces. And we curate the collection for you. Just to us, it's like the cream of the crop. And I find we get so many beautiful comments from ladies of how unique our boutique is. But it is truly unique in the sense that we really curate every piece that comes in here. And there's many other, there's lots of competition out there, and they carry an array of things, but we are a bit special here, and we're a bit of a niche, and it's very unique. Yeah. And the way that we drop our lines too, we do them in little doses so that you can really see why we chose it and what you can wear it with, and we style it up for you. So watch out tomorrow, because whatever's in this box, me and Lousje are going to style up for you. And we put a lot of thought into the pieces that we bring in here. And we want to only bring in here what we would love to wear. And so when we're putting it on like that, I feel like $1 million in this outfit right now. And we curated this outfit for you lovelies, this top over this color, just because it's something that we would love. And it's very special to us that we have this amazing community of women that are like-minded and are loving what we're bringing and how we're styling it.
We hear this often from you. Like you go to a mall, they are the same stores. Whatever city you go to, it's all the same, right? Mm-hmm. And I find now too, when I travel to Holland, the Netherlands, it's the same thing.
Yeah, there's
an H&M, there's,
but
the niche stores are very hard to find.
Few and far between.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
And this is what we hear a lot from you, and we really appreciate that you have found us, and you are thrilled with our styling, and you are thrilled with the product that we bring.
Yeah.
And like Tessa said, we always say, would I like to have that?
Absolutely. I literally try every piece on that we buy for the boutique because and it's funny because many times a lot of the other agents, you know, they'll say to me like, you know, you're only one of very few that try anything on. And
so important.
You know, I'm fortunate to be able to put them on and feel the fabric and feel the fit. Because you can see something on a hanger and then you put it on and as you know, ladies, it looks like, oh wow, that's not what I thought at all.
Not so great.
So we try our best in that part, and that's how we get our beautifully curated boutique.
Yeah, we're proud of what we bring, and
we do it a little bit different than other stores, even other little boutiques. You know, like we definitely curate it, and we want to bring you outfits too,
exactly,
right? And solid pieces that you can, you know, use for miles in your wardrobe.
Yeah.
It's always also very important to us.
Very important.
All right, ladies, are you ready? I'm going to dig into the box here. Oof, beautiful. Lots of linen. And I love, of course, black. Sorry.
Oh,
but
Tessa.
there is a rhyme to this reason for the black. I will show you. But look at how beautiful, ladies, this
I love this fringe too, this fraying going on.
Frayed linen tank.
Here in the seam.
A beautiful silhouette.
Love. Gorgeous.
Yeah, great.
Gorgeous.
Great. So I'm just going to show you right away my favorite piece. Look at this gingham skirt, Mom.
Tessa.
Isn't that fabulous?
Oh my God.
This is a balloon skirt. Beautiful detail.
I can picture that with so many exciting things, you know?
Yeah, 100% linen. So I bought it to go with that shirt.
Yeah, totally.
Great little outfit.
Totally. And then Tessa, a jeans jacket over top of this, white.
Yeah,
jeans.
or even this guy here.
Or that.
Yeah,
oh my
that'd be great.
Yeah.
Or, no, I was going to say yours. No, that'd be clashing. You need something solid on top.
Yeah.
But
what a statement.
It's so beautiful.
And what a gorgeous fabric.
I know.
Oh my goodness. I'm always so intrigued with their fabrics.
All right. So this is another unbelievable piece. I remember trying this on.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. I just need to stand up to show the body of it to you ladies.
And how
Look at that tunic.
How gorgeous the fabric is. Yeah.
Gorgeous. And the band.
The band and the taupey color.
Yeah. Isn't it beautiful? And look at these pants.
Oh, look at the bell bottoms. Oh my God, this is so
cool.
60.
Nice knit elastic waistband, ladies. Yeah. So I can't wait to style that up for you, or Lousje anyways, with the pants. But it's such a great outfit together. Yeah. Grizas had their modeling it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. And imagine those beautiful scarves that we got in.
Yes.
If we have any left from Grizas, those beautiful bright colors to go with it. Absolutely gorgeous. And here we go, ladies. Another pair of pants.
Oh.
Lousje's favorite pants.
Yeah.
We had to bring them back. We had so many requests for them.
The signature pleated silken linen pants.
There's just a dart, like a seam here. And
okay,
on the
Charlie,
side,
look at him.
Is he kicking you?
Don't you have enough room here?
It's narrowing out the pant, which gives it a great look. Yeah, beautiful hang.
Beautiful.
Pockets.
Nice waistband.
Yeah, we love it. So we just did that in the black, and then we bought this color to go with it.
Oh, Tessa.
Isn't that lovely?
Yeah, this is so darling. This is so feminine.
So beautiful.
It is just so feminine.
And it's got such a great hang on this top.
I know. A nice little cuff they always do. Look at it. This with white linen pants. Oh my.
Beautiful.
Be still my heart. Honest to goodness.
It's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous color. And ladies, last but not least, the piece de resistance. It will go over all these pieces. Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
It is so beautiful.
Right, Tessa.
It is an amazing organza shirt.
This is like Oscar night.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Coming up, by the way.
Is it?
Yeah.
But look at, ladies, how beautiful that is. So artsy and cool.
Look.
It's got a beautiful hang to it.
Oh my, but how does this sizing go? 2 sizes.
Yeah, extra small, and then a large, extra large.
Oh, it's so.
And there's all these panels in here, ladies, that are sort of raw edging. This is their silk fabric.
Beautiful.
They're silk cotton, I believe. It's just amazing.
Love, love, love.
What a great collection.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
What a great collection. The first drop was a huge hit.
Yeah, the
Right?
dresses with the
Some-
sweaters.
yeah.
We
And the
are
little jacket,
reordering
the flower jacket.
the flower jacket, which is pretty much sold out. We are doing a reorder with Grizas, ladies, because we had so many requests for the little rosette pink sweater. So if you want to get your hands on one, just send us an email.
Are you doing the little flower jacket too?
Yes, we do have some requests for that as well.
As here, number
You
one.
want one?
Yes.
Yeah, and the silk scarf sold out too. You want one of those too?
Oh, well.
Let me just take a note here. Lousje's picks.
No. You told me that you had an extra small.
I
set
know,
aside for
but
me.
sometimes when the video goes live and it sells out, your extra small is gone.
Colleen said, well, you did get a little jacket, did you? I said, no. She said, that's terrible.
Well,
I said,
we do have a
it's
little
okay.
policy here at Lousje Bean that it has to stay on the floor for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
For the girls too. And sometimes they're not very happy with me.
Only for certain people in this organization, not for this one.
No.
Listen.
That's not true.
Do you have one?
No, I don't have one of these because they're selling and I
okay.
can't. I'm waiting.
Oh,
I hope there's going to be one left over.
I'm impressed with your restraint.
In the Grizas restock, I might put one in for myself. But no, I had ordered an extra one for myself, but they're flying. So, you know, it's hard. It's hard too. I'm like, I want that skirt so bad. So maybe I'll have to reorder the skirt because I see it and I'm like, I know so many women that would want to buy that gingham skirt here.
Oh yeah.
This one here, ladies. Oh my goodness, it's scrumptious. Oh my goodness. Marlene. We have the same taste, me and Marlene. How are you? I'm saying hello here from Canada. This is a great one. All right, ladies, we hope you enjoyed this drop. If you have any questions on sizing, please let us know. We're going to style these up for you tomorrow. Yes. So watch out tomorrow morning.
Can't wait.
Ladies, if you're not on our email list, please subscribe below in the link. You can subscribe or on our front page of our website. You can also get on there so you don't miss a single drop.
Enjoy your day. And as always, keep on smiling.